Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. I will show you how to cancel Cider AI subscription. So guys, to cancel your subscription, all you have to do is just go to my account and go to billing, as you can see here. And my case guys, I don't have any premium subscription, and if you have a premium subscription, all you have to do, you see here option cancel subscription, go to billing, as you can see here on this image, billing from here, and this billing. After that guys, scroll down, open this image, and after go to billing, click billing and click view order details. After that, go to my account, this is my account, 2 steps, and go to view order details. And what you have to do, scroll down, you find this option guys, as you can see here, you find this option, billing, cancel subscription. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Just go guys, go to billing and cancel from here your own voice. I hope guys this video helpful for you, and don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon.